Hi guys, I am out here with my stressed out corn that I made a video about, I don't know, maybe about a week ago on how short this is. This is a transplanted corn. I have already got tassels here on this corn, not the best sign. Now, I know how to grow corn, just to make the record clear, because look at that beautiful patch of corn out there, just about as tall as that sunflower is. Now let's compare it to this one. This was done in March. Those other ones were done about mid-May. So, with that being said, I wasn't sure if I wanted to completely pull this corn out or let it roll. But what I do need to do is remove these beans because they have nothing to run up on. So this video is about transplanting beans, and I've already transplanted two. Here I've got a hole. I took one out earlier and filled that back with water and dirt, and I've got about 3 or 4 more plants here that I need to transplant. So looking at this hole, I tried to get as much of the dirt and the root out without disturbing the roots on the 2 surrounding corns. And look at this one. This one has got silks coming out of it. So I'm really going to have to make a decision here of, do I pull this out or do I roll with it? It's not that big of a space. And here's the corn I planted, I don't know, maybe 9 days ago. So it's coming up very well, and there's some more bean there. For some reason it skipped this little patch, and I've got one right here. So I'm going to dig up this one, probably in a couple days, to see. I'm going to give the chance to see if any more wants to come up in between these 2 little solo corns. Oh, it looks like there's one more right here. So I'm just going to be patient, and I'm going to wait, and then I'm going to end up consolidating these down here to this patch. So I'm going to have corn. There's no doubt I'm going to have corn, but I need to decide, do I scrap the corn too in this or not? So where I'm moving these beans to is over here in front of the sunflowers and the zucchini. Oh, and the mini pumpkin, which is really, really nice and thriving there. And I've already planted one of those beans, which is right here, and eventually it's going to grow up these sunflowers for me. Here is the bean that I just took out of that hole, and I'm going to put it right there. And when I get done with it, I'm going to water it again. As you can see, I've already pre-watered these holes in here. Going all the way down here. I've got a couple zucchini here to sort of flank the end of this. And when these runner beans run up the sunflowers, I can also see the sunflowers and all those pretty little beans from the inside of my house, which will be quite pleasing for me. So now all I need to do is come in, transplant this, and put as much of the dirt. It's almost a perfect fit here, but I am going to put a little bit more dirt around here, which I'm going to have to do off camera because, well, I need 2 hands for it. So you can see how that works. This hole probably needs to be a little bit bigger, so I will come in and make that a little bit bigger and continue on. Thank you so much. Have a great day. If you would be sweet and subscribe, that would be wonderful. Love you all. Have a great day.